there, my name is Paul Bachman, and I have some exciting news for anyone looking to start or grow their online business. I want to tell you about the amazing platform that we have at the Online Business app. We've been helping entrepreneurs like you achieve their online business goals for over 15 years. With our all-in-one business platform, you have the access to everything that you need to start, grow, and expand your business. We offer websites, email broadcasting, social media, networking, and even a fully stocked marketplace with over 1,000 products to serve you and for you to promote. We've helped over 250,000 customers in over 150 countries around the world. And that number is only growing. But the real value of the Online Business app lies in our community. As a member, you'll have access to our 100K masterminds, where we go live every week to share the insights, strategies, and support each other. Starting or growing an online business can be overwhelming, but we're here to help. Our team of experts is dedicated to guiding you every step of the way, offering top-notch education, support, and to ensure that you have a successful venture. If you're ready to take your online business to the next level, the Online Business app is the way to go. We've got the tools, the resources, and the community to make it happen. So don't hesitate to join and start your journey towards the online success. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a great weekend. We'll see you on the inside. Have a great weekend. Bye.